They say humans are bad drivers, and honestly, they have a point. I mean, have you seen some of the people on the road? It's a miracle we haven't all driven off a cliff. But what if I told you there's a better way? What if machines, with their cold, calculating logic, could do the driving for us? For years, cars were just hunks of metal that got us from point A to point B. But now they're evolving, becoming smarter, more intuitive, more like companions on the road. Thanks to AI, our vehicles are transforming into intelligent machines, capable of navigating complex environments and responding to unexpected situations with superhuman precision. This is a revolution in the making, folks. AI is changing the game in the automotive industry, and nowhere is this more apparent than in the development of autonomous driving. We're on the cusp of a future where cars drive themselves, and that's pretty mind-blowing even for a comedian like me. Let's talk about how AI is already changing the way we drive. Think about features like Smart Park Assist. Remember the days of sweating bullets trying to parallel park? Those days are over. Now, with the push of a button, your car can elegantly slide into that tight spot, making you look like a parking pro. And then there's automatic emergency braking, a literal lifesaver. This AI-powered feature can sense when a collision is imminent and slam on the brakes faster than any human could, potentially preventing accidents and saving lives. But how does it all work? Well, it's like giving your car a sixth sense. These vehicles are equipped with an array of sensors, cameras, radar, LiDAR, that act like their eyes and ears. These sensors constantly scan the surroundings, feeding data to the AI brain of the car. This allows the vehicle to perceive its environment, identify obstacles, anticipate potential hazards, and make split-second decisions to ensure a smooth and safe ride. Think of it like this. AI is like having a co-pilot who's always alert, never gets tired, and can see things you might miss. It's an extra layer of protection, a guardian angel on wheels working tirelessly to keep you safe on the road. We live in a connected world, and our cars are no exception. Thanks to AI, vehicles can now communicate not only with each other but also with external systems and the internet. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities, transforming the driving experience from a solitary activity to a connected, interactive journey. Imagine this: your car, plugged into the internet, receives real-time traffic updates, rerouting you around congestion, and getting you to your destination faster. Or picture this: your car senses a mechanical issue before it becomes a major problem. It then sends a notification to your phone, schedules a service appointment, and even orders the necessary parts, all without you lifting a finger. This is the power of connected vehicles powered by AI. They're not just cars anymore, they're extensions of our digital lives, seamlessly integrated into our connected world. And this connectivity translates into a safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable driving experience for everyone. Now, let's step off the road and into the factories where these AI-powered vehicles are born. Building a car is a complex process, requiring precision, efficiency, and a whole lot of manpower. But increasingly, human workers are finding themselves working side by side with robots, creating a harmonious partnership that's reshaping the manufacturing landscape. These robots aren't the clunky, inflexible machines of the past. Thanks to AI and machine learning, they're becoming smarter, more adaptable, and more capable of collaborating with humans. Robots can handle repetitive tasks with tireless precision, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and nuanced aspects of the manufacturing process. This collaboration isn't just about efficiency, it's also about safety. Robots can take on dangerous tasks, protecting human workers from potential harm. It's a win-win situation where humans and robots work together to create a safer, more efficient, and more productive manufacturing environment. Building a car is one thing, but ensuring its quality is another. Every bolt, every weld, every component needs to be perfect to ensure a safe and reliable vehicle. And that's where AI comes in, acting as a meticulous inspector with an unerring eye for detail. Using machine learning algorithms, AI can analyze vast amounts of data from the production line, identifying patterns and anomalies that might escape human observation. It's like having a super-powered quality control manager who can spot a defect from a mile away. Imagine this: a camera scans a finished car, and the AI, in a fraction of a second, detects a tiny scratch on the paintwork that's invisible to the naked eye. That's the power of AI-powered quality control. But AI's role in quality control extends beyond the production line. It can optimize warehouse space, automate loading processes, and even predict potential supply chain disruptions, ensuring that the manufacturing process runs smoothly and efficiently. The automotive industry relies on a complex global network of suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors. Managing this intricate web is a logistical nightmare, but AI is stepping in to bring order to the chaos. AI algorithms can analyze real-time data from across the supply chain, optimizing routes, predicting demand fluctuations, and identifying potential bottlenecks before they occur. It's like having a master chess player who can anticipate every move, ensuring that the right parts reach the right place at the right time. Imagine this: a natural disaster strikes a region, disrupting the supply of a critical component. AI, analyzing the situation in real time, finds an alternative supplier in another part of the world, reroutes shipments, and keeps the production line humming without a hitch. That's the power of AI in supply chain management. It's not just about efficiency, it's about resilience, ensuring that the automotive industry can navigate the complexities of a globalized world with agility and confidence. So, there you have it. AI is revolutionizing the automotive industry, from the way cars are built to the way they drive. Who knows, maybe someday our cars will not only drive us to work, but also offer unsolicited life advice. Jonathan, you know you should really call your mother more often. It's a scary thought, but hey, at least I'll get to work on time. But jokes aside, AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's a present reality, transforming our lives in tangible ways, especially when it comes to our cars. It's making our vehicles safer, smarter, and more connected, ushering in a new era of mobility that's exciting, innovative, and full of possibilities. So tell me, what AI feature do you wish your car had? A built-in barista, a personal masseuse? Let me know in the comments below.